Flu cases are on the rise across the state. Just last week, the NC Department of Health reported 5 more flu deaths. This leads us to ask, should we be wearing masks? WFMY News 2's Taylor Leverett joins us live to shed light from the experts.
Good morning. As many of us prepare to travel for the holidays, an expert I spoke with says before you leave out the door, it'd be to your benefit to grab you one of these.
Before you take off, don't forget to pack your mask. Cone Health Director of Infection Prevention says North Carolinians will likely need one this holiday to protect themselves.
So right now, North Carolina has moved into that the high transmission rate for flu.
Schneider says RSV, COVID, and the flu are spread unknown to you in the air. Masking serves as a defense from getting any illnesses or spreading one.
If you work in a very crowded place and you think you're going to have a lot of public exposure, it may make sense to wear a mask now, especially at the height of respiratory illnesses, so you don't necessarily get exposed and then bring that back home.
And then there's the type of mask you wear. In 2022, the CDC reported the effectiveness of wearing a mask among 536 participants. A cloth mask lowered the odds of testing positive for COVID by 56%, while surgical mask was 66%, with N95 masks having the highest odds of 83%.
The best fitting masks works the best.
And when it comes to whether you should be reusing a mask,
people can reuse it, but I think if it, if there's moisture, if there's staining in that little metal piece around your nose not fitting well, that's definitely a sign that it's good to toss out.
Bottom line, Dr. Schneider says masks offer the best protection against viral illnesses. And just as gloves were a medical invention, she says masks will soon become a normal medical addition.
We are in that time where we are considering that, especially during the respiratory season, or if somebody has a respiratory illness complaint, that we should be wearing a mask until we know exactly what's going on. So I wouldn't be surprised that this becomes kind of that norm in the winter seasons.
Masks and face coverings are no longer required in city facilities, but they are required in certain areas of the hospital here at Cone Health. Live in Greensboro, I'm Taylor Leverett, WFMY News 2.